these are the people which immediately popped out. Okay, so you can share, or you can just want to add. Again, same thing. You can be owner, you can give a restricted access, or anyone with the link is this the link which I can copy it. So if I copy this link is copied, I don't have to do anything, I just put it. Again, same thing, the presentation is open. So anybody will just if I just want to, I made some presentation and I don't want to give you any access or the students in this what we can say, in this workshop. So what I'll do, I'll just give this link to you, you can just see my presentation. Okay, and I just have not don't want anybody to see it, only the people who can share, so I can have a restricted view, so this can be also there. Okay, done. So now if I go edit, same options which you are using, these are junior options, nothing new into it. I don't have to do. I have not done anything, therefore these options are not highlighted. Otherwise, these options will be highlighted. Now again, view slideshow. What we say, if you see, you can get a slideshow, the PPS format, which we usually get it. So this is what is there. Then there's a theme builder. You can automatically have like what type of theme builders. This is usually good to be used during your creating a slide master. So if you go, you want to click here and you can make a slide master here, notes master. So similar feature, I want to have different kinds of slide orientation, how you want it. So that same type of feature is there, only it is renamed it into a different format. So slide masters are usually used when you want to give a template, like Swati ma'am want to have your presentation at the after the end. I don't know, I'm just not terrifying you, but I'm just telling you, she wants to have your presentation, what you have learned in these 10 days of workshop. Okay, so she asked you to make a presentation, but she wants everybody to make in the same format style. So she sends you a template. So this is an easy way where she can just prepare some slides and she can share you in a slide master form. So this is a very good feature which can be done. So this is called as theme builder. There it is called as slide master. So that is the difference. Then there's a grid view where you can see all the slides. Then you can choose the ruler where you can have the margins. Then snap to, you can grid and guides. So this is there. Full screen if you want to, or you can zoom into particular thing. That can also be done. I can just scroll. We can use the scroll feature also on your mouse. Format, nothing is done, therefore it is not highlighting. I'll just close this. Okay, and then slide, if you want to add a slide or skip a slide, but we use a normal feature which we always are used to it. Again, whatever I do, it is saved in drive. If you want to change a background, apply layout, so this is given. Then there's a transition which you can do between your slides. Edit theme, if you want to change theme. If you want to skip a slide, that can also be done. Arrange order line, this we will insert some kind of thing. Then there are tools which are there, so tools are helping you to do spelling check or thing, or usually done. Then there are extensions. Again, extensions can be used, like if you go get our add-ons, so these are different kinds of extensions which can be used. Some are paid, some are like free of charge, which are available. Free of charge, there is 100 things available, thousands I should say, and you can definitely use it. Okay, so just play with it and you will be able to do as much as possible. Okay, if you don't want to use these kind of toolbar, open and do it. There are some handy features which are easily tucked in your ribbon down there, and you can use all these like you do in your, what we can say, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay, sometimes I feel that I'm very good in making those, using these smart charts, or I'm a big fan of these using, so I make the smart charts here, I make that slide and I save that on if it is wherever it is saved, I just import it in Google Slide. So that can also be done. Okay, because I like that feature. Otherwise, if you see, there are different kinds of features here also, but sometimes what I mean, we are connected to those features and we want to use them, so there's nothing into it. Yes, I wanted to show you that these is a presenter view. So if I want to have a presenter view, so I can just see and I can get a presenter view. So this is how it can be done. So you can see how, what is a timed if takes me on particular slide. So you can just do you how you use the animation feature there. This can be done here also. So this is a more what we can say advanced feature which Google has imbibed into it, ready made here. Done. Any questions till now for my Google slide thing? It is just similar to PowerPoint presentation, nothing else. If you could see here, the quick access preview. So if I just click on preview, you get the feel of that presentation directly here, open with Google Slides. If you don't want, you can just download the presentation from here, and it will be saved on your desktop. I'll just show you. It is saved on my desktop somewhere, and with the presentation one name. Now again, whatever changes I made here, it will not come there. So better is to go and If you want to use it, you can use it there also. There are other features also. Share link. You can go here and you can share with a number of people if you want. I can click and say again same thing. So you don't have to do remember anything. You just click on clicking and learning it and making accustomed, getting accustomed to the features. Move standard everything. Add to your stat folder so it becomes easy access. It become your favorite file. View your details so about the file when it is created, where how it is created. Download, make a copy. Similar. Done. Any questions till now? Somebody has put something? No? Okay, let's move ahead now. Now, in the waffle again, if you go, it's a drive docs and slides you have seen. Now there's a sheet option. Similar to thing. Now this is similar to what our Excel is. If you go Excel, this is what our normal Microsoft Excel looks like. Why I'm saying normal, because some people may not be using Google Sheets. So to start using it, it is again same. It looks same, same, same. There's nothing different into it. Just go again, same thing. The word was similar, docs was similar, the slides were similar, and the Excel is also similar. Click on it. Okay. Now, if you see, there is a, I will give the same name so that it becomes easy. Case study. I've given this name. So this file is now your Excel sheet, which is given by Google. Therefore, it is called as Google Sheets. Okay. If you want to access anything from your internet, I'll tell you that how to access it directly. First, whenever you're using this Excel sheet, remember there are many advanced features inside imbibed in it. So you don't have to go and look for different options in your normal Excel. Oh, I was using this here. How will I will use these things there? No need. There are already imbibed features. Try to use them. Because what happens if you try to toggle between Microsoft Excel and Google Slides, Google Sheets, you will find it too difficult. And what will happen? You will get that nausea of, oh, I'm toggling, which is wasting my lot of time. Everything will happen, take time only in the beginning. Once you are getting used to, or you get a hang of it, you will not like Microsoft Excel. You will always try to work on more of Google Sheets. So what is it? If you say I have just opened it, same spreadsheet, it is showing why it is called a spreadsheet, because this is what where this sheet one is created. Now, what the sheets this sheet one say? This sheet one is the first worksheet which we get. I hope you are using the same feature. See, default Microsoft Access Excel gives you sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and if you want to add sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6. So you can just add on different workbooks in your one same Excel sheet. Okay, many times it happens that I used to make many worksheets, and then if I don't rename, people don't, you go and check. So you can just go and rename it so that people knows, oh, this sheet is there. These are similar thing can be done in Google Slides, and you can have different sheets. Okay, so if you want to add a sheet, just click on this. It creates a sheet too. Isn't the feature same? Is this a feature is same? Okay, so there's nothing. If you want to rename it, you can just go and rename these sheets here. So there is nothing new which you can you're doing. You can delete it, you can duplicate it, you can copy if you want to do it. Similar thing what we used to do. If you go, it has same features: insert, delete, rename, move, or copy. So actually I was not told to compare it to Microsoft, but I want to give you a comparison so that people who are already using Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint should not feel that this is too difficult. Therefore I'm trying to tell you that, show you the comparison live in front of you so that you understand that Google Slides is much more easier, easily accessible, and can have a real time saving feature. Okay, so this is how you can protect your sheet with your giving a password. You can hide your sheet if you want. I just want to hide this sheet, so I can just hide this sheet. So see, it gives me an immediate command that the sheet is hidden. If you want to, what we can say, change colors or something, that can also be done. Now there is a feature called as edit. The same features which you use it. There's a define and replace also option in this, which I think we use it like this. Control F. Okay, so this is a shortcut in your Excel. Now I want to. This is show freeze options, which we how can you can freeze the top row, bottom row. So this, if you go, there is a freeze options here. There is a view command. Sorry, sun is shining too much today. freeze panes. So this is how you use where you can freeze the top row where we have huge number of data. So you can just freeze like I want to keep the headings and I want to just keep toggle between the attendance sheets, how many people are absent or something. I don't want to use the filter options, so I can just freeze the top row or the first column of it, and I want to see the last comments of it. So this can also be done with the freeze options. So I'm just telling you what this command is used. Yeah, individually, each command can be taught to you in a lot more detailed manner. Okay, so this is a group option where you can group different kinds of things. There's also, you don't have to remember anything because in Excel you have to remember most of the things. Or what is find and replace? It is Control F. But here automatic short forms are also given. You can zoom the file. You can have a full screen of it. Then insert, so you can insert a cell from or shift from right to left. Okay, so this is the features which we usually do when we are using the cell. So this particular one box is called a cell. These are the rows. One is a row and A is a column. Okay, so this is an option here. Then sheet, the sheet which we are using it, the chart options. Okay, so now when we say chart, okay, Google has an very good feature. It suggests you a lot. Okay, so I don't have a data right now, so it is showing me. I'll just check if I have any data.